Hey smart minds! Welcome back to my science tutorials, where learning is fun, and science is even cooler. Ready for fun science riddles? I can pull things down, but I'm not a person. You can't see me, but without me, you'd float into space. What am I? Yup, it's gravity, the force that keeps you on the ground, and juice from floating off the table. I reflect you, but I'm not a mirror. I grow like you, but I'm rooted too. What am I? A plant. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Total team players. I'm solid when it's cold, liquid when it's warm, and gas when it's really hot. What am I? Water, ice, water, and steam, one amazing molecule with 3 personalities. I move faster through metal, slower through air, I bounce, I echo, I'm always there. What am I? It's sound. Sound travels fastest in solids and slowest in gases. Yelling underwater sounds weird. You shake me and I fizz. You open me and I explode. But I'm not angry, I'm just carbonated. What am I? A soda bottle. The carbon dioxide builds up pressure. Science is tasty and messy. How many did you get right? Comment below with your score and challenge your friends to beat it. Or drop your own science riddle. If you love these brain teasers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell, because science is way more fun when we learn it together.